Babes Wodumo took to social media yesterday and poured her heart out until she passed out. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget like and subscribe. It was such an emotional moment for her as she spoke of her final moments with Mampintshas. She also shared his last words.
Wathi uspontshe bohlezi umbonisa umaphakhe uthi ngangikhona ngisho ngitshengisa ukuthi wawukhona uthi.
She also spoke about the father-in-law as he insists on getting Mampintshas clothes. It is the custom that if a husband dies, then the family will come and get his clothes. But Babes is saying she also needs to keep something from Mampintshas since they have a child together. And she also wants to, make peace and have something to hold on to for the memories. She also spoke about how she feels towards God, in as much as she is very bitter about the loss of her husband. She does not question God's power over her life. And she also thought that maybe there is something wrong that she did to deserve the death of her husband. But, well, this is what she has to say.
And the decision, I don't blame it. I don't judge. Yeah, I understand. And I easily judge. So me uthi uNkulunkulu wathi when you feel about it's fine. Angimjudge. Miyathi ungangininga angijudge. Never. Goodbye.
The audio was not very clear because she was very intoxicated, and sometimes it was difficult to understand her train of thought because she kept on going back and forth. But the whole gist of the matter here is she is very heartbroken, and the fact is she did not grieve or she did not cry during the funeral because there were a lot of things that were happening, and the fact that maybe there were other things that Mampintshas also did to her, so she did not really express herself. But now with time, that's when she has realized that she really misses him and she loves him with all her heart. So it is very difficult now as a single mother to raise a child as well as to run around and do all the gigs. She also said that Mampintshas through dreams encouraged her to work hard and not stay idle, as this is going to get her into depression. Many netizens are worried to say that Mampintshas is communicating with you. Is it not because you are trying too hard to be in touch instead of moving on? She also explained of the day Mampintshas died and how she felt. She felt it like it was a prank, and she thought that maybe it was one of the sins on Babes Wodumo, or actually Utando, not Dumo. So she thought maybe it was one of the sins that they were supposed to record, but she went ahead and tried to wake him up, only to realize that this was reality. It broke her heart.
So baba nganyakho ngibheka amakhamera amakhamera phambi hayi ngiyabona ukuthi ngithi ngiyona bangipray kala ngiyagijima ngiyangena ngithi ngamlalela ngithi ngipray ngiyabheka yonke indawo it's bangipray kanti mase ngithi ngiyalalela la inhlizweni yakhe ngiyamazi njalo ungipray ngathi badethe umoya ngithi ngiyalalela uthula ithedwa.
And sometimes it feels like you are being punished for something wrong that you did. So this is what she's saying, that sometimes you just feel like God wants to show himself to you and to correct you for something wrong that you did. Guys, this is so painful.
Mase ngiyabuza uNkulunkulu ukuthi konke mhlawumbe ngiyenzela wrong angazi mhlawumbe uzama ukuzuza isibhaqa ukuthi yabo wena ushaya isibhaqa manje ngazi ngifuna ukuqhubeka manje nempilo yami yonke into ukuthi ngidade ngiqhubeke bekuthi ngiyabiza phesheya ngihamba nayo so but njengobiza kanjani kwisimeni esinje asijabulisi sibona hleze ngiyibuza ukuthi zenze kanjani ngoba ngimthanda akekho ayekho umuntu ofana njengami emhlabeni ngiyamfisa umuntu ofana njengami onothando onakekelayo but nje ziyanginetha ngapha nangapha ubaba kaMampintshas ufuna impahla zamampintshas ngathi anginayo inkinga nalokho but ngiyafisa ukuthi indoda yami lokuyibona iy'cathulo zakhe noma ngibona ini but
she commented on raising a child on her own, and she also spoke about the way the child resembles the father, even in his behavior. So guys, this is very sad. She even passed out after the whole life. She could not handle herself. The way she was so consumed in the grief, the netizens were scared that she might commit suicide, but then it was a combination of grief and intoxication. So she slept soon after, and people were left watching the live, and she was asleep. So the main question is, where to from here? Now that the love of her life is gone, where to from here?
bagqiba indoda yakho bagqibela yenzeni yamgqiba umfake ihlabathi futhi ngiyaphinda umbone ngiphinde ngithandane ngiyaphinda acule